Hello friends, if you are searching how to cancel Ashley Furniture, so try this method. Today in this video, we are going to tell you how you can cancel your Ashley Furniture order. Only in some easy steps, all steps you can see on your screen. So let's get started. Method 1. To change or cancel an order, please follow the instructions. For standard shipping, please call customer care at 8664363393. Connect to a representative. You must now inform them about your furniture order cancellation and request them for the same. Do provide them with your personal details, information regarding your order, and purchase timings, and answer all the queries you are asked. The representative will then track your order to confirm if you follow the terms and conditions as discussed above. They will help you cancel your order and you will soon receive an order cancellation confirmation email that you may keep as proof. You will receive an email confirmation regarding your change or cancellation. If the product has already shipped, you may return it under our return policy. Please note return shipping fees may apply. For no-hassle delivery plus assembly and doorstep delivery orders, you can cancel the order by calling customer care at 8664363393. If you cancel your order at least 48 hours before the scheduled delivery time, we will simply cancel your order. If you cancel your order less than 48 hours prior to the delivery date, we will cancel the order but will charge your credit card the delivery fees. You will receive an email confirming cancellation of your order. You may not cancel special orders or orders for monogrammed or personalized items. By using this method, you can easily cancel your Ashley Furniture order. Hope you liked this video. If yes, please hit a like button and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.